In a quiet village nestled between rice fields and winding rivers, there lived a 28-year-old man named Arun. He was known for his strength, his kindness, and his constant worry. Arun worked as a potter. His hands shaped clay all day, but his mind was never still. He worried about his aging parents, his unpaid debts, and whether his life had any meaning beyond survival. Every morning he woke before sunrise, not out of peace, but under pressure. His thoughts raced faster than his heartbeat. He smiled for others, but inside, he felt like a cracked pot, holding water, but leaking hope. One day, while delivering pots to a nearby village, he met an old monk sitting under a banyan tree. The monk was silent, eyes closed, surrounded by birds and children who played without disturbing him. Arun sat nearby, watching. After a while, the monk opened his eyes and said, "You carry too much." Arun replied, "I carry pots." The monk smiled. "No, you carry thoughts." Arun was startled. "How do I stop?" The monk pointed to the river. "Go there, sit, watch the water, but do not think." Arun laughed nervously. "That's impossible." The monk said, "Try, and every time a thought comes, pick up a pebble and drop it into the river." Arun went. He sat by the riverbank. The water flowed gently, but his mind was loud. "I need to finish the order. What if my father's health worsens? Will I ever be free?" Thought after thought. His hands moved more than his mind. But slowly something changed. The gaps between thoughts grew longer. The river didn't just carry pebbles, it carried his burdens. His breath slowed, his shoulders relaxed. He noticed the sound of birds, the shimmer of light on water, the rhythm of his own breath. For the first time in years, he wasn't thinking. He was just being. After an hour, he had no pebbles left. But more importantly, he had no thoughts left. Just silence, just presence. He returned to the monk. "I felt peace," Arun said. "But only for a moment." The monk nodded. "That moment is your true self. The rest is noise." Arun asked, "How do I live like that?" The monk replied, "You don't live in silence. You return to it again and again." From that day, Arun changed. He still made pots. He still faced problems. But every evening, he sat by the river, not to escape, but to empty. He taught others too, farmers, weavers, children. "Drop your thoughts," he'd say. "Let the river carry them." Years passed. Arun became known not just as a potter, but as a guide. Not a guru, not a saint, just a man who had learned to empty his mind. And his pots? They became more beautiful, not because he tried harder, but because he thought less. His hands moved with presence. His heart shaped the clay. People came from far away, not to buy pots, but to sit by the river, to learn how to let go. One day a traveler asked him, "What's your secret?" Arun smiled. "I don't sculpt pots, I sculpt silence." The traveler asked, "But what if the thoughts come back?" Arun replied, "They will. That's their nature. But now I know where to take them." He pointed to the river. "This is my temple, my teacher, my mirror." So if your mind feels heavy, if your thoughts feel loud, find your river, find your pebbles, and begin. Because peace isn't found in answers. It's found in space. And when you empty your mind, you make room for your soul to speak. Let go of the need to fix everything. Let go of the need to understand everything. Just sit, just breathe, just be. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs silence today. Subscribe to Art of Mind for more stories that awaken your spirit and quiet your thoughts. Until next time, stay present, stay peaceful, and remember, your mind isn't broken, it's just full. Empty it and begin again.